Hello there, this is Chris at Guaranteed Rate Mortgage, and I thought I would just give a June 2023 mortgage market update for you as you're out there looking at homes and thinking about buying a home. So, interest rates are probably one of the biggest hot topics right now. And yes, interest rates are moving, but not as dramatic as the media would make you think. We're seeing them move, but within a pretty tight range. So we don't need to be too worried right now. It appears for things to really get away from us. Just stay in touch with me as far as that goes when it comes to your own interest rate and kind of what you might qualify for. So as far as some of the loan products out there, so conventional loans, these are the loans that are very, very common. They're anywhere between 3% down or 20% or more. Very good loan program type. They like to see credit scores in the very high sixes and then into the sevens. If you're under like a 680 or a 700, then we may look at a different loan product, but conventional loans are holding steady. No big guideline changes there right now. Now, FHA loans, these have gotten a little bit more traction in the last couple of years. And one of the reasons is that the maximum loan amount for the FHA loan has kind of strategically gone up over the last few years. So that might be a loan product that may not have been worth looking at, a few years ago, but would fit better in your situation and your market now. So the other loan program I wanted to touch on is the VA loan. This obviously is not available to everyone. This is for our qualified veterans who have their eligibility in order to use a VA loan, but really, really great loan product. And I am just quite honestly blown away at how low the interest rate is at Guaranteed Rate for the VA loan product. We really put a lot of emphasis on that product and want to help as many veterans as we can. We waive our lender and our processing fees on all VA loans. Something to note if you are either a real estate agent working with VA clients or you're a VA eligible borrower yourself. So the last loan product to touch on is the jumbo loan. And I will tell you that these loans have tightened up a little bit over the last few years as some of the investors have sort of pulled out of that space. And so with the jumbo loan, it still is a good option for a lot of people, just maybe not as many people. So we're having kind of things like higher down payment requirements or more reserves, cash in the bank, things like that, higher credit scores and bigger down payments. So that's just something I wanted to touch on. And my general overview of the market right now is that now is a very good time to buy, quite honestly. There is no data or research of any of the big organizations out there to support the idea of home values, plummeting or having a big, home value crash. And so that's not something we need to worry about right now. So, the supply and demand conversation is always going to win when it comes to home prices. So when supply is low and demand is high, there is just no way that prices are going to drop. That is going to equal either a stable price environment or kind of a rising price environment, which we are expecting here over the next couple of years. So please feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to do anything I can to help you navigate this. Your financial wellness is very important to me, and I hope this helps. Thanks a lot, guys. Check back anytime, and I'm looking forward to working with you. Bye-bye.